nasty ass job that somebody got to do. We are 20 stories up on a race downward, on a whole shoot system, floor by floor. Word. Look, word. The third spray game. Let's go. Let's get it. Get to it. Down where we at. 15. Let's get it. Spray game. Let's go. Check on the partner here. Let's check on our partner here. See how you move. You're 14. I'm going to 13. That's what we do. We holding down 14, I'm about to take it down 13. That's what we do. This is the business. Go out there and make you some money, man. Bro, go make you some damn money. About to hit this 13. Let's get it. Spray game. It's such a nice road too. Alright, this is the worst what happens right here when the door to the trash chute won't open. The lock is broken. Here's pretty much how it works. Alright, this part right here has to push in when you turn the switch. Sometimes they tend to get broken from people slamming them or whipping them open or trying to force them open after maintenance may have locked it and it gets stuck. We can't let this go down because we can't skip a whole floor because this will fall really fast and be almost impossible to catch it. So that's the dilemma that we're having right now. So my partner is on his way down to our van and gonna grab a screwdriver and gonna pry it open and finish this thing. Let's go. We on a race to parking space 1, P1, I think is where we parked at. Yeah, we're on a race down to the basement, damn it. Let's get it. You know what, since we're here, right, I'm gonna talk to you guys about a few things. Whether you're spraying trash chutes, whether you're spraying trash cans, whether you're spraying concrete, whether you're spraying siding on the house, always wear eye protection. Always wear hand protection as well. Trust me, you'll be glad you did, especially when you're spraying the ground and little cracks, little pieces of rock might pop up, hit you right in the eye, and you got problems. And you don't want that. If you're spraying in trash cans, you know how much nasty, soggy shit is in the bottom of a trash can. You don't want that shit spraying up in your face, gets on your lips and your mouth. You don't want to be that guy, trust me. Same thing with these trash chutes. There's a lot of that. When you see how this thing look, do you really want that shit popping back up in your face? I don't think you want any of that popping back up in your face. That would be gross to get inside your mouth. That's everybody's shit on this door. That would soon be in your mouth and your face. Tell them what that shit is. Eye protection, gloves. Some jobs I go to, I wear a full hazmat suit, depending on the job. But safety first, be safe out there, all right? All right, let's go. All right, he's doing 13, I'm moving down to 12. Obviously, I can't film myself doing it. You don't want to try that with this because, like I said, there's a hose hanging down the trash chute. And if your hands slip off that shit for a second, you got problems. Then we gotta run all the way down to the first floor, unhook everything, bring it back up and do it all over again. Nobody wants to do that shit. So here I am at 12. Let's get it. In the home stretch. Just got finished with 12. He's on 11. I'm about to start 10. We're in the home stretch. Let's get it. I probably lost like 5 to 10 pounds walking up and down these damn steps. My man said this shit is bad. That one he on is bad. See, no, my luck laughing, my shit probably bad too. I need to come back and holler at them about doing these damn steps. Man, look at that shit. That shit terrible, bro. Man, look at these steps, bro. These steps need some help. And we are at 10. We're in the home stretch. Let's work. Of course, I spoke it on myself. That joint was nasty as shit. It had last year's Thanksgiving turkey. Let's go. 10. He's at 9. I'm going at 8. We're on the race to the bottom floor. Let's get it.
Stop trash work, come on, please.
Bye.
I was laughing at him, y'all, and the one I got was dirty as shit just now. It had Thanksgiving dinner on it. We are at 8. Let's get it. Hopefully the damn door opens. Stop leaving your diapers on the floor. It's already over. That was some super nasty shit. 8. Fuck you. That was some nasty shit. I swear I saw shit inside the chute, like somebody scooped their ass up there and took his shit down a trash chute. It's fucking crazy. And this looks like shit. Let's go. All right, we're almost there. He's at 7. I'm about to go to 6. We almost there. Let's get it. Here we are. 6. Let's get it. I guess it's safe to say somebody really likes Coors beer. Somebody really likes Coors. And I am not dumping anyone's trash. Can't do it. Won't do it. Not that I get paid for it, man. That hose you just saw, that hose is going all the way down to the garage from 20 stories up. So it's real heavy, so you really got to hold on to it or it'll fall all the way down to the bottom. So if you guys want to know how to do trash chutes in apartment buildings and how to get those contracts and make some real big money, I'll let me. I got you. You're seeing it right here. A lot of them other dudes talk it, but they're not doing it. This is the proof right here. Let's get it. All right, he's at 5, going to 4. We almost there, y'all. Let's go. Y'all rocking with me. Let's get it. The proof is in the pudding. Like I said, these other dudes talking, but I'm showing you. You want big, high-paying jobs? I can show you how to get them, and it's not hard like you think it is. I'm telling you, it's super, super simple. Not always easy, but very simple. Very simple. I'm telling you. And follow me on Instagram at Hustle Hard Universe, man. Y'all don't forget. I'm gonna go live over there, answer some questions, talk to y'all. All right, let's get it. Big money. Forget that little shit. Let's get it. I'm gonna show you how to scale your business and how to really turn it into something big. Hiring employees and all that shit. I'm gonna show you how to do all that shit. Let's go. Yeah, 5. We almost there.
Yeah, boy.
Almost there. All right, let's go. I should play like some music. Something corny. That's corny, right? I know. 4. We're here. Let's go. Yeah. Look at that. It's funny. I'm not putting any pressure, y'all. They're wilding right now. I don't know what the hell that is. Hold it. I had to come all the way back up to 18 because we left one of the sprayers up here. So, 18. You wanna walk down with me? Let's go. Let's see how far I go before I quit. Made it 4 minutes, 12 seconds. Hot dog.